The ERNI SMC connector is a versatile dual-role interconnect solution available in a 1.27 mm pitch. It has a highly reliable dual-beam female contact design and achieves up to 500 mating cycles. The SMC connector features SMT board-level anchors to help minimize stress on the signal contacts while improving board retention. With its polarization feature, the SMC helps assure the right mating condition. The ERNI SMC connector provides an impressive misalignment tolerance of ±0.7 mm and allows a high angular inclination tolerance, making this connector system easy to handle and reliable. The SMC connector has a wipe length of 2.5 mm and allows connectors to be stretched to that distance. The ERNI SMC connector excels a negative tolerance stack-up assembly. The SMC connector line is designed for placements of multiples between two boards. Whether used in vertical mezzanine or right-angle applications, the SMC connector has been constructed to allow the mating of many connectors without issue or guide pins. The SMC connector surface mount contacts provide for a 100% coplanarity less than 0.1 mm. The superior surface mount contact design with its additional solder anchors provides a robust surface mount connection. The SMC connector resists high shock and vibration forces for a safer application in a rough environment. It also resists temperatures from -55 degrees Celsius up to 125 degrees Celsius in its final use. Through its elegant design, the SMC connector also has high-speed capabilities up to 3 gigabits per second. The ERNI SMC connector is easy to assemble. With several packaging options available, the SMC can be assembled manually, as well as an automated pick-and-place assembly. Special locating pegs help to ensure correct placements on printed circuit boards. The ERNI SMC connector resists lead-free solder temperatures and helps ensure an accurate solder paste flow throughout the surface mount process. For the SMC connector, a one-sided surface mount process is no problem. A cost-effective permanent cable assembly option is offered by using only one connector for a board-to-cable solution. The SMC connector is available as a press-fit solution and incorporates all of ERNI's leading press-fit experience and technology. The ERNI SMC connector also allows for enhanced surface mount connector assembly process. First, it's soldered on the upper side, then turned around, placed on the printed circuit board by the pick-and-place machine, and soldered on the opposite side by overhead soldering. An excellent connector. The SMC connector is available in various stacking heights ranging from 8 mm to 20 mm board-to-board distances. The SMC family also ranges various pin counts from 12 pins up to 80 pins. For extended board-to-board distances, ERNI also offers a board-to-board adapter. Distances of 20 to 40 mm can be bridged. The SMC connector is also optionally available with a locking option. With its audible click, you know that the connectors are locked. To unlock it, just press down on the retention node and the connection is unlocked. The highly versatile interconnect solution offers virtually every interconnect mating configuration. Right angle, mezzanine, coplanar, removable cable to board, permanent cable to board, that's why SMC stands for Small Multiple Connectors. Whether being used in harsh environments, in the automotive or transportation industry, for the day-to-day communication needs, in the most sensitive applications, or just in your daily life. It's a highly reliable connector system.